Hello and welcome everyone. Once again, Sunil here from 3D Orchestra. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find any reference for any kind of textures or material or design on Pinterest and then extract the image for a specific pattern or material or texture and then use Kyon Bridge to create a seamless texture from that extracted image and then convert into a fully functional PBR material which can be sent to an engine in just one click using AI from Cloudflare, which is Flux Context, which I have tested works quite well and makes our entire work very fast and efficient. So as you can see, I have searched for a living room wall marble and I found this reference good for the example which I am going to demonstrate. So what I will do is I will go here and then I will right click start capture and then I will capture the image from here. I will adjust it accordingly for now, but Crayon Bridge will also give me option to adjust things. I'll copy this. I will save this on desktop and maybe marble. I'll copy the name and then save. After I have grabbed it, so you can search for anything you want, grab the image and then take a screenshot of the image and then go back to and save that image and then go back to Crayon Bridge, or you can just go ahead and copy it from here. Okay, so that option is also there. So either you can select texture or extract from reference which I have copied, or you can go ahead and copy the entire also. So you are not limited to just copying, and so like possibilities are limitless, to be honest. So you can just go ahead and copy like this and then I will copy it here. So for the first one I have extracted it and then saved it on hard drive, and this one I have copied it on the clipboard. So I'll go to Crayon now. So I have multiple ways. I can go ahead and select the texture from here, easy. And I have already showed you that it can be converted into a seamless texture and then converted as a PBR material and sent to an engine in just one click. But let's go here and experiment this one. And I will be using AI because I have already set up the Cloudflare, which is very easy. You can follow the video available on Crayons Lab YouTube channel. You configure your Cloudflare account, which is absolutely free. And then now I will go ahead and click on extract reference. And then I will click paste a screenshot, or I can also select an image, or I can click on paste a screenshot. So this will paste and then it will take it will find best and it will judge best reference it can be. You can also go ahead and manually give it a try. Okay, you can preview, extract, you can download patch or send to generator. So once it will send to generator, you will come here again, extract reference, and then it will find the best pattern for you, which can be made seamless quite easily and efficiently. This will be done by the generator. Okay, so I come here and now I will go ahead and see here it has themes now because I haven't generated the material, and on 2D I don't have anything because I have to click on generate, and you can use local PC, you can use Cloudflare account, and then I will go here and just make sure this prompt is okay. So rebuild into a seamless wood. So instead of wood, I will change to marble. So rebuild this into a seamless marble texture, natural pores and tonal variation, remove perspective distortion, reflection, furniture, shadow and clutter. Photorealistic albedo base color only, because the moment you have the albedo or the base, this AI can go ahead and generate the entire other maps very easy and efficiently. I will be like augment source image and here flux to clean 9B. You can go ahead and try all the other AI models, but I like the most here 9B. Go ahead and give the name to this like marble, so that you will be able to generate the ORM version of this material, which is very helpful later on. You can give tag to whatever you want, and then you can go ahead and yeah, I think everything okay. You can go ahead and scale it to 2x, so I'm going to make it 2k, and yeah, seamless output, and then you can sim blend width and sim blend strength. You can set this to also if you like, which is very helpful if you want to try, but default is always going to help you a lot automatically. So all done. So to just revise, we went to Pinterest, we searched for a specific reference we want to create a material from. For now, like I have searched as marble of a living room, and then extracted the image, then copied it on the clipboard, or you can also crop and download it. Now it has all the flexibility you to offer, and then give a proper prompt. Then I selected the proper, like a source augmented image, it should be, then the proper AI model, then the tag, and then I scaled it to 2K. And yeah, I think we are ready to go for the generation. So I will click generate PBR map. Just give it a second. You can also generate from the local. So you don't need to have cloud set up Cloudflare. You can do it locally on your PC. It's not a big deal at all. And now you see here, it has generated a seamless texture for us perfectly from the reference which we gave. And then I will go ahead and click on import to library. And also you should not forget, you can go ahead and do any kind of modification and changes even after the generation is done and it is imported into the library. Okay, so see here marble, and you can go ahead, don't forget, you can go ahead and open edit room and then do all sorts of changes you want. You can just go ahead and enable editing, and then yeah, you can go ahead and edit whatever you like. It's amazing. This tool is incredible. This is like, for me, it's like dream come true. Absolute flexibility. I'm not limited in terms of material anymore to using this tool, and I can generate any material for Archviz especially. I can imagine, because I have Pinterest and I have this Crayon technology with the help of Unreal Engine. So possibilities have become endless and no limitations whatsoever now after using these tools. So you should pay attention on learning these things. It's going to empower you at a whole new next level. So as you can see, we have all these textures already generated for us. Absolutely fine. And yeah, just go ahead, and if you want, you can go ahead and generate an ORM. So just click generate ORM and see ORM texture generated. Plus you want to make it over VT, perfect. Go ahead, make it VT. If you want to send it without as a virtual text or with non-virtual text, all you have to do is click on this and then go on edit in room and then switch off VT and then click send to Unreal Engine. So this texture will be sent to Unreal Engine without virtual texture. So this is what I will be going to do. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and click on send to Unreal Engine. So it will be VT. Or you can just switch off the VT and just click on send to Unreal Engine, switch off ORM and then send to Unreal Engine. So you can see the flexibility from a texture reference, seamless texture generated, PBR materials created, and then you can send it to Unreal Engine one click, plus send it as VT, virtual texture, send it as ORM, plus benefit of having the entire polyheaven library at a fingerprint, like fingertip, at a fingertip, and then entire CG, ambient CG textures and as a material library on a fingertip. So you can understand the potential this has, from a single texture to a reference texture to materials from the as a library from the polyheaven. You can imagine, like I cannot emphasize how amazing this is. So I will just click on send to Unreal Engine, click on main, and it's sent. And now I will go here, and then in Crayon I will go to marble, and then I will just go ahead and drag and drop this. So just imagine if this is a scene in real time, like this is a complete scene. I have a seamless material which no one gives us the flexibility, not even Megascan. It's limited to what they have to offer. Just take an image from the Megascan preview and then generate a material and then create a PBR material and then use it. So you will be blown away with the possibilities if you try to understand this, what this app has to offer you. It's incredible. I highly recommend try using this. And if you happen to purchase it from, if you want to purchase it, just use 3D Arc as the code, and you will be getting 10% off and get it done. And it's one-time purchase, and you can use it forever to generate the materials and use the polyheaven and MSCG as material library. So in this video, we just saw how we can take a reference image from Pinterest and then convert a fully functional PBR material which is seamless and sent to Unreal Engine in just few clicks. One click, to be honest, and then enjoy using it in your project. So I really hope this video helped you a lot to understand how it can be used. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, have a great day.